Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from 10th May 2021 till 16th of May 2021, though timeless, okay? Check out my other weekly readings as well and alternate readings as well. I hope that you all are doing well. Thanks for any kind of support, donation, likes, subscribes. Everything is appreciated here. I heard bonjour, 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 and for some cases it came through as like a, of course it's a, you all know that French, and it is coming from like a greeting, okay? So it's like a, there was a vibration. How come? No, there's nothing, no activity like that. There's nothing on my table. There was a vibration. So maybe, okay, we'll leave that. First of all, like on this, I heard bonjour. Okay, so maybe it's bonjour from past for some cases because that's what I heard. You have certain cards here telling me that 0111 recording time. You have, I'm going to use Hobbit Tarot here, and you have this one card flipping here, which is, oh my God, I kind of felt as if it's a devil energy. So maybe it's coming through as like a vibration, devil energy, volcanic eruption, someone waking up. Bonjour from past, greeting from past possible. 10 of Wands energy is someone who is feeling betrayed, or someone who is feeling cold, someone who is feeling like left out, someone who is feeling like something that got over. So bonjour from past, greeting. Maybe someone who does want to talk here to you, okay? Let's see. This person is feeling like, they might be feeling like fell hard on something. Yeah, that kind of energy. Someone who is feeling like, oh my God, like, oh my God kind of energy. Am I making sense today? What is happening with my energy? But this is, oh my God, that's what is coming. What you want to tell? Okay. Someone who is feeling that they fell hard on something, okay? No hard feelings, it's just that someone who is feeling that I'm unable to drag this feeling. Like feeling heavy on chest. Woo. This energy is like feeling heavy on chest, okay? Maybe you couldn't drag, maybe they. I also feel this energy of like, what? Oh my God, this was the reason. Something gonna hit you. It's like, oh, that's why they did it. That's why they, blocked me, or that's why they, however this can go vice versa. That's why they're not talking to me. Someone who is not happy or was not happy, and they just locked it up, whatever they locked it up, and they're not talking to you, or you're not talking to that person, or the talk is not happening, the meeting is not happening. Now here I also feel like someone who is feeling like first word is coming betrayed in whatever situation, love betrayal, friendship betrayal, okay? Any kind of relationship of like being warm and confiding kind of. Here this is ignorance to the extreme. I don't see it's going to be so welcoming, whether you do the bonjour or like a greeting, and if this greeting happens, it's not going to be that of that spark, to be honest. It's not that spark, okay? It's a love or a friendly or whatever connection. Maybe it's going to happen after hearing someone out. Now, something is not, is that a word, appreciable, or not being appreciated? Yes. This not something, whatever was. Someone's actions were not appreciated in the past for you, or you did it, or they did it. You have Five of Cups energy and you have the Sun. I heard in the hope to connect, hoping to connect with the past. Okay. Oh my God. Hoping to connect and resolve the issue. 5 of Cups. So possible someone or you. Sun, Leo. I'm also hearing the word Devil, Capricorn. But I feel you're looking to speak. You're looking forward to speak with someone who is having literally bars, which is about the fence around, or you are having that. It's like you just can't go randomly and knock at the door because they're not going to, because maybe they're upset because they just don't want to start anything that is over, or you don't want to start anything that is over. It's like a bonjour though, I'm telling you. Judgment, call back, or calling someone, or hearing from them for the finalizations. Like it's going to be the judgment day. The judgment day is coming, okay? Or maybe something that was not over properly is going to be judged properly this time, and it's going to be the chance that you can discuss things and what went wrong. 9 of Cups. This is about looking forward to meet with someone, okay? Hearing their voice. Bonjour from past. This is like someone's desire coming true, at least to talk, at least to resolve certain issue, which you should actually, if it is happening and it's poking you. But I feel looking forward to things right in the future is the call of like bonjour. You may hear out from someone, or you are going to try to talk. Devil, let's fly. Devil, something happened. It's a bounce back. It's something that made someone angry or agitated here, you or the other energy, and it's connected with home, it's connected with someone. Someone might have felt like, oh my God, you betrayed me, kind of energy. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Now for some cases, this is, you're going to hear from someone past. There's maybe a call and you can't even imagine, or you might not be expecting it, but there's going to be. To some extent, it's going to be someone who is thinking about you in order to enter into hopeful zone here, or in order to have certain growth with you, which to me is telling there's a bonjour from past. This person is, yes, desiring to connect with you. Look, I know that word is not so nice, but I heard left out, okay? I know that no one should feel that way, no one should do this to anyone, but energies do this. And while channeling the messages, some messages like this, they turn up and I can't help it. I just don't want to sugarcoat that stuff, but that's coming. I'll try, and I do try to pick up the best words for you, but something is happening here. I feel like they have a wish. Someone is having a wish to convey something to you. Page of Cups energy. Again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like they just want to take certain action here, but it will depend upon how your communication will further proceed, because I feel like they're thinking about it to make a move. Like, they have something to tell you. They have something to tell you. I'm taking this card out near Sun, and I feel like this is the hopeful, not hopeless. Okay, hopeful. If we say like they love me like a hopeless, love. Like I'm a hopeless lover. Like for me, and I do feel this. There's a term like someone who does love you so much, like they're just deeply in love. Okay, that kind of energy is also coming. It's like unexpected, mysterious message popping up in order to have sunshine. So I feel you have a sun card. So it is about that looking forward to have majestic and beautiful growth in a certain matter. So you can hope something. Bonjour. So maybe bonjour from past, or this bonjour is looking forward to have something big. You may have even a proposal here or a friendly handshake here coming. However, whatever is going to come, this is connected with this energy even from the past, because I do feel very heavy. Moon might be the Pisces. Someone is looking forward to convey you something. They've been thinking about you. They might not be talking in talking terms possible. This was the phase that someone came to know or will come to know, or something that one should know. Hidden scenarios will be out, basically. I feel like in the future, the wheel of fortune is turning, and here, King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel it's you. You're going to hear out from someone they have inside. This is about the hidden feelings. Someone gonna let it out. They need to speak to you. They are actually acknowledging themselves. Okay, if this is about the other energy. It's also the moon is something, what did I do? It's something hidden from your scenario. You really want to know, but that's a different thing. There's Two of Coins, Two of Pentacles reversed, and the Emperor Aries reversed. General discussion. But with this, it's something that no confusion now. It's someone who is out of this, someone who is out of even ego, if they had. It's something that someone is like, okay, I'm coming. Okay, I want to talk. It's something that someone is no more keeping inside, no more puzzle, no more categorizing thing. Okay, Knight of Cups, there is someone who is coming with an apology or something that will be settled here. It's kind of energy of like bringing up the matter in order to clarify it. Okay. Listen, this is also telling me, looking forward, while you're going to go in this process and things are going to sort out here, someone who is ready to even talk with you, they're going to little bit let go of old issue or the struggle phase between you both. Maybe it's with you or with the other energy. However, here I feel that this is going to be the trial, and when this is going to be done, then after multiple trials, either you are doing it or they, this is going to come to common conclusion or common point where you both will be able to talk. And it's like clarification round. With the Knight of Cups energy, maybe someone over here is apologizing to someone. So, and very important thing, this is someone who may say something, okay, and on strict basis. They don't like it, some pattern, they don't like it, and you're going to be, okay, but that kind of energy. Does that make sense? Love is a matter, love is a matter, love is a matter. Baby, love is a matter, love is a matter. Reunion. After sorrow, something is here, and reunion is a call. Someone does want to meet someone here. But there is happiness, cheerfulness. There's also money, there's also pleasure seekers. What do you mean to say? This may be just general. A lot of money inflow is here. You're getting renowned for your work, or money is here, ascension is here, money-wise, finances. With pleasure seekers, I kind of heard like interested energies in you. The Hermit. I feel like it's going to be like an energy streak, and it's going to be like maybe past is also coming, new energies are also coming. It's going to be multiple things at the same time. How you're going to handle, that's your thing. But the Hermit, Virgo, Virgo. Why I said Taurus, I don't know. Well, Virgo. But with the Hermit, this is someone, people are coming out of their cocoons, okay? This is also some past energies, but this is also pleasure seekers, as in like interested. All of a sudden, like I heard all of a sudden, all of a sudden, 10 of cups, someone is filled with love for you, and they're missing you, they're just waiting like, oh my god, Cupid, where are you? Okay, I hope that you people enjoy this. Oh my god, where are you? So it's like someone is telling, like it's like a play is going on and someone is like making a voice or changing the sound of the voice, and like, hey, someone is letting the other energy laugh, and this energy is like trying to figure out, Cupid, someone help me, help me. So this kind of energy is like 10 of cups, where someone is feeling like, oh, I want to talk to this person. Kind of energy when there's a competition, kind of energy when the person is moving on, okay? That kind of energy. I feel like you are like no less of money and no less of attraction and attention. Actually, I should put that attention and money, fame and money, okay? People trying to linger on with your energy, and there's going to be the time frame when there's going to be like love will be offered to you, a lot of love. Now it depends what you're going to do. Oh my god, where is Cupid? Hey Cupid. For some cases, I don't know whether you're male or female energy. However, there's a young woman. This might be you. This might be other energy. This might be anyone. There is someone who is ready and like, you know, I know. Whatever. Whoa. I just picked up my deck and there was underneath Rider-Waite Obvio. This is Two of Cups energy. Reunion. Someone does want to reunite with you. They're too much in head. They want to reunite with you. So that makes sense here. Closer, not closure, closure. Someone does want to be closer to you in love, because they're not fine. They're not fine, and messenger can't stop. Okay, not taking calls. Either you are not doing or someone is not doing. Okay, but this may get a little reverse. So if you try, okay, or someone is not fine, you messaging them or you calling them, or you are not fine, someone messaging you and calling you. Please give me one flip though. Okay, that's it. Okay, there is a pattern. Do not either repeat the pattern or don't let other energy to repeat the pattern, but with the pattern there is also something connected with a devilish approach, like unhealthy. Okay, someone might not like it, whoever this is, or you don't like it. This is sometimes also the energy pattern of different energies, but repeating the same things again and again, and you have already experienced it, and it's like, Cupid, what are you doing? I never needed that. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Also, I have what I heard the message. Yeah, I have updated my readings, counseling reading, personal counseling sessions, and I have added 1 question reading. I have added 2 question reading. I have added 3 question reading. So maximum is like 3, okay? But that goes for, I have a time frame of half an hour, 30 minutes. And I also have, according to schedule, days fixed. And I also have 1 question specific, I said so. So even 1 question will go for a video, okay? And the cost, if you want to know, you may email me and check that in the email introduction, and it's very authentic, okay, as per me. So I've done that. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.